Rasta 263. Listen before you judge. Every word has power. Yeah, man. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. I told her smoker, please stop smoking. One day your lungs will go bad. He looked at me and smiled. Then he said these words: what is the benefit of dying with good lungs if life has no peace inside? His words made me think. Advice needs a better way, brethren. Talk with love, not with fear. Speak so people want to hear. Don't just tell them what is wrong. Show them where they can belong. Talk with love, take your time. Oh, every heart can change in time. We tell the youth, stop the drugs. Tell them feel them and we tell the youth. But we forget to ask them why. Some are hurting deep inside. Some are crying every night, sleepless nights, because of how we treated them. Don't fight pain with angry words. Hope can change a broken word. Hold that hand, don't push away. Kindness can save a life today. Talk with love, not with fear. Speak so people want to hear. Don't just tell them what is wrong. Show them where they can belong. Talk with love, take your time. Oh, every heart can change in time. Advice is good, but no, it's better. That kind